Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rosy O, and today I'm going to do a 10-minute whip and chat because it's about time I do one. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, hope you enjoy the show. Oh, and if you can like, comment, and subscribe, I'd really appreciate that as well. So before we start, let me start the timer so I can make sure it's exactly 10 minutes for y'all. So as I had stated before, I've been falling behind a bit doing my 10-minute whip and chats, even though I really do like doing them. And apologies, I'm going to turn on the light pad. Voila. And I decided to put release paper on it because I wasn't too sure I was going to section it. This painting is a partial, so this black section has no stick to it. It's only pretty much the flower. And when I was moving, apologies for all the crinkly noise, I need to get a cover minder. I couldn't figure out how am I going to section it. I like the washi tape method, but I am really not good at cutting at it. So that's why I thought, no, let me just use release paper because I do have smaller release paper. So let me lift it up. And of course, my release paper has kitty cats. I bought this on Amazon, so I'll make sure to put information on this in case you're interested in the little release paper. I think it's a 3x4, I believe. Kind of don't remember. I just picked it up because I thought it was cute. So let me zoom in a bit because I think I'm probably a little too zoomed out there. I'm just pushing the canvas up. And there we go. Yep, that's the stick. So I'll pretty much start in the corner and keep moving up. The wonderful thing about this rose that I really love is, as you all see, it's really colorful and it just keeps changing colors, and I'm a big fan of that because I'm not too sure about how I'll stay on the same color for a while. Oh, apologies. I still need to buy a cover for where the switch is. It's real sensitive, so I have to be careful whenever I accidentally tap it. I'll turn it off, so I don't want to be turning off and on the light pad on y'all. So, and I decided to do this one. I think I might have said it in a previous whip and chat, or even when I was kitting up this painting. Apologies, I kind of don't remember. I did the kit up video for this painting a while back, so that's why I kind of don't remember. And I'm placing the first diamond. Ooh, voila. So exciting when we put the first one. I'm going to see if I can multi-place with this canvas because it's a little odd. It's not exactly lined up perfectly like it usually is in our regular canvases, so I don't think I can multi-place with this one. I think I'm going to have to single place, which means it's going to take a little longer. And that was the reason why I stopped with my home canvas that I've been working on with the 10-minute chats. Is I don't know why. I love the painting. It's so cute and I really do want it on my wall. But I started getting bored of it. I don't know why. I guess it's because I kept working on that canvas for a while. So that's why I decided, no, let me change it up. And I did want it as I did want another Diamond Dotz canvas because I've stated before, I have several of them. And this painting, when I did the unboxing, super won me over. So that's why I really wanted to pick it up. And yeah, that's why my poor home one, I just have it on the side. Every now and then I'll work on it. But since I have so many paintings right now I'm trying to complete, especially my... Some of y'all are probably tired of hearing the name of this canvas. My cherry tree canvas that I started back in January. Because I decided that was my January canvas. Lesson learned, I'm not doing that again. I think I might have said it... I'm trying to remember when I said it. It's one of my previous videos. I'm not too sure if it was the whip and chat I had on the weekend or the kit up video I had for my March canvas. I did a lot of chat, so that's I'm kind of confused. Apologies on when I stated it. Oops, sorry. I stated that I had chosen the cherry tree canvas because I wanted to start the idea of, working on my oldest canvases first. And when I started going through the whole listing of my older canvases, sorry, they're really large. And I thought, oh my goodness, if I'm going to go that route, I could probably do only 2 a year. And I do want to meet my own little personal goal of completing 10 premium canvases. Sorry, forgot to word all of that. For 2025, I already completed one, and that was my cute Christmas canvas. And I'm really close to finishing my Midnight Beneki Neko canvas that I'm doing for an event. So I believe that would be my second premium canvas for the year. And we're barely in March, so I'm trying to go a little faster. So that's why I decided, yeah, I'm not going to do oldest canvas. I'll scratch that idea until maybe when I'm, Diamond Painter year 4 or something. When I already know that I'm a lot faster and I, be a little bit more, well, I don't want to say organized, doesn't sound correct. And apologies, I'm looking for a tray. Oh, I'm going to drop something really quickly to hold my trash drills because I just caught that one. It has a bunch of tabs all over it. And I'm just making sure that, every now and then, I don't usually get a lot of trash diamonds or drills, however you want to word them, with Diamond Dotz. So that was a little surprising that I picked one up. So yeah, so now I just picked canvases all the way till actually September. I actually found a canvas that I unboxed, so stay tuned for that video this week. And when I was putting it aside, because once I unboxed paintings, when I already show you all the wonderful canvases, I put them away with the rest of my stash in my closet. But when I was boxing it up, I started thinking, oh my goodness, this is such a good size. It's a 44 by 44, I believe. It's a smaller canvas. I thought I should do it for one of them once. So that one perfectly matches for September. So that ended up being my September canvas. So I have canvases picked all the way to September because October, I believe that's when Drills and Chills start. And that's the event that I completed last year. And I really want to do it again this year because I did enjoy it. And I was able to complete a large canvas for it, or larger than I usually finish. It's the event I used to complete my Halloween cat painting. So, and I already have a canvas selected for that event. It's not a large one. I don't believe so. Well, maybe. I did have one originally picked, but since I've been purchasing a lot of canvases through Restock, because a lot of my canvases, almost all of my canvases are from Diamond Art Club. So I've been picking up a lot of my canvases that have been on my wish list. And the majority of them have been restocked. So I do have one or two that I wouldn't mind doing for that event, but I don't believe any of them are that large. Ooh, I finished that color. So let me switch over to the next color, which is going to be another red. I'm going up through the line, so the next color is going to be number 3. That's the symbol, and it is the next color. And it's really neat how it's doing a little rainbow effect when I'm switching colors, when I'm going up the line. And I'm making sure I'm on camera because the canvas moves a bit while I'm painting. And I've been catching it a lot. And I've thought of taping down the canvas on my light pad, but I'm not a fan of doing that. So that's why I just have to be real careful on when I'm painting, making sure I'm not moving it. So this one is number 3. And with Diamond Dotz, as I've probably stated before, their coding for their diamonds aren't the same as a DMC code. They have their own little system, so that's why I can't yell. I mean, I can yell out the number. State professionally the number, not yell out. I don't know why I worded it that way. The Diamond Dotz color for this one is 8021. See how it's kind of odd? Well, not really odd. I kind of got used to it because, as I said, I've completed other Diamond Dot canvases. And yeah, so stay tuned for the unboxing for that painting that I'm going to do in September. I didn't mention it in the unboxing video. I didn't figure it out till after. So I don't know if I should put a note on the video letting you know, hey, this is my September canvas. But once you see the canvas, I think you might figure out why I picked it for September. But I'll still put the note so y'all know, oh, it's that canvas, so you can, stay tuned when I start doing the kit up video for that canvas. And it should be quick. As I said, it's not a large canvas. And I'm thinking next year, if I'm going to do a canvas a month again, I kind of like the idea. I just have to finish the canvases. And Cherry Tree, I really want to finish it soon. Mostly because it would be one of my second largest canvases I'd be able to finish. And mostly because I really have a location in my home where I want it up. So that's I kind of really want to finish it already. And I apologize. This wasn't the topic I was going to talk about today. But it just kind of segued to that. Because I was thinking about this canvas. And then all the other it's the diamond painting thing. It always goes back to diamond painting. And this is coming out real nicely out of this red. And I'm actually liking single placing this. As you can see, the symbols have a white background. So I'm making sure that I'm putting it correctly without having the white showing. Because sometimes I notice when multi-placing, it won't be perfectly straight. So you'll actually see the white backing if it's not as straight. I don't know, it's really odd. With multi-placing, it leaves it a little off a bit. So that's why I'm being careful and single placing all these diamonds. But it's working up quickly considering I'm single placing. I thought it might take longer because I'm doing that. No, it's actually coming up nice. I like that. And oh, we just hit, I believe, the 11-minute mark. So I'll stop it for here. Ooh, I did get a good section completed. So since I was working on this color, which is number 3, I'm going to move forward and just complete the section. So for my next 10-minute whip and chat, we can move on to a next color. I'm going to organize it a lot better this time around instead of the way I was doing it with the home one. Mostly because since this canvas has a whole bunch of color blocking of patches of color, I'd rather just be doing sections and we're slowly working on. So the next time we meet, I'll have already completed this wonderful red and hopefully we'll be moving to the pink. Yeah, I kind of like that. So let me just make sure it's all in the shot real quick. And there you go. As you can see, it's the little edges of the petals that got the red. So I'll move ahead and next time, as I said, we meet, you'll see that I moved on to the pink. And again, if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, all I ask is if you can do the usual. If you can like, comment, and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. Really helps put the channel out there, and it really allows me the opportunity to show all of these wonderful diamond paintings we love to do. Single placing and all. And again, thank you for your time, and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.